Part 3: Commodity and Engineering Plastic Applications. The basic plastics are divided into two main types according to their composition and properties. Those are thermosets and thermoplastics. The primary difference between thermosets and thermoplastics is that the thermoset is a material that strengthens when heated but cannot be remolded or reheated after the initial shape forming, while thermoplastics can be reheated, remolded, and cooled as necessary without causing any chemical changes. Here we will be looking into details of thermoplastics only. Thermoplastics are a very large group of plastic material that are separated into two categories. One is commodity plastics and the second one is engineering plastics. These plastics are composed of long chain molecules called polymers, which maintains their connection through intermolecular forces. When sufficient heat is applied, the forces which are keeping the molecules together are weakened, resulting into melting. This particular property makes thermoplastics useful in plastic molding machines, as they can be heated until molten and immediately injected into aluminum or steel molds at high pressure, and then can be cooled down and get the required article. Commodity plastics. Commodity plastics are plastics produced in high volumes for applications where exceptional material properties are not needed. In contrast to engineering plastics, commodity plastics tend to be expensive to produce and exhibit relatively weak mechanical properties. Common commodity plastic atoms are 1. Cosmetic, pharma and chemical containers. Number 2. PET bottles. Number 3. Plastic furniture. And number 4. Carry bag or garbage bags. Common types of commodity plastics. Number 1. PE, that's polyethylene. Number 2. PP, that is polypropylene. Number 3. PET, that is polyethylene terephthalate. Number 4. PS, that is polystyrene. Number 5. CAB, cap, that is cellulose acetate butyrate. Number 6. HDPE, high density polyethylene. Number 7. LDPE, low density polyethylene. And number 8. LLDPE, linear low density polyethylene. Engineering plastics. Engineering plastics are different than commodity plastics. They are designed to withstand mechanical and environmental conditions that commodity plastics are not made to deal with. They are not mass produced in compared to commodity plastics. They are typically made in smaller quantities to meet a business specific goal. Common engineering plastic applications. Number 1. Automotive parts. Number 2. Electrical and electronics. Number 3. Building and construction. Number 4. Consumer goods and appliances. Number 5, industrial applications such as abrasion resistance and corrosion resistance liners. Common types of engineering plastic. Number 1, nylon family. Number 2, PTFE, that is polytetrafluoroethylene, that is Teflon. Number 3, PC, that is polycarbonate. Number 4, PVC, that is polyvinyl chloride. Number 5, ABS, that is acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. Number 6, PU, that is polyurethane. Number 7, POM, commonly called as POM, that is polyoxymethylene. And number 8, SAN, SAN, that is styrene acrylonitride.